What is going on, y'all? My name is Travis Owen, back again with another video. In this one today, I'm going to check out my girl Morissette, joined by a couple other people, Kaiko Salazar and Adonis Tabanda. I don't know anything about those people, but I know a lot about Morissette. Not a lot, but I've been checking her out over these past few weeks. I love everything about her that I know. I love her voice. I love her renditions of songs, and I have had this one suggested to me quite a few times in the comments of the other videos of hers that I have checked out. So in today's video, I'm going to be checking out her rendition of Mariah Carey's Fly Like a Bird. But before I do, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on future reactions, and leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you. I have more Morissette content coming soon, but let me know what else you think I should check out. So without further ado, let's check out Fly Like a Bird. Ooh! Yes!
Somehow I know that there's a place up above. Though my heart is struggling, free from all atrocities and suffering, because I feel the unconditional love of one who cares enough for me to erase all my burdens and let me be free to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord, carry me high, don't let the world break me tonight. I need the strength of you by my side. Sometimes this life can be so cold. I pray you'll come and carry me home.
Oh my God, so beautiful, so beautiful. It's so pristine. It's so, oh my God, I can't get enough of Morissette's voice. It's so smooth. It's so pretty. It's so, she also just has this confidence, but she's so cute, and she's, I love her.
Each other, we would find victory. But in this harsh reality, sometimes I'm so despondent that I feel the need to fly like a bird, fly to the sky. I need you now, Lord, carry me high, don't let the world break me tonight. I need the strength of you by my side. Sometimes this life can be so cold. I pray you'll come and carry me home. I need you.
Ooh, that harmony.
I need you.
Yes.
I need you right here by my side. Keep your head up.
Woo!
What God's love you survive.
Yes! Come on, Morissette!
Love you survive.
Hey!
I need your love, Lord, let me
Woo! Yes!
Carry me higher. Yeah, 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 yeah,
Yes! I love her so much. Oh, her voice. She like takes you on a journey. I've said it before. I love it. I love it. I love it. She starts off so subtle, so pretty, so beautiful, and then she just sends it through the rafters, and I love her. I cannot get enough. I feel like she was singing right to me in the camera, and I just Mariah is not an easy person to do, as a lot of people know, obviously, but Morissette, she holds her own, and even in my opinion might do a couple things a little better. But I mean, Mariah is an OG though, so I'm not going to say Morissette is better than Mariah. They're two different artists, but Morissette, that voice right now, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Let me know what else you think I should check out for Morissette in the comments. I would love to hear from you. I know there's a lot to see. And let me know about your other artists that you really like that I should check out as well. I read all the comments. I try to respond. And yeah, subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you as part of the Tea Time family. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.